Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today is expiration day, so I'm going to go through all my options. And here's the first one, Cleveland Cliffs. I'm long 200 shares, have a call at 16.5. Expires today, and it looks like it would certainly be called out. It's pretty deep in the money. I checked this yesterday. I don't think there's anything more I can do. Unless Cleveland Cliffs came down significantly. I'm just going to have to let that get called out. And the 100 shares I have left of Cleveland Cliffs will be 100% profit on this, in this case. I think I'm already in the profit zone. Alright. What else we got? Disney. Okay. Go EV. Go EV's been coming back recently. It was down to 7.5, and it's coming back, so that's good. It's not till June though, so it's fine. Norwegian Cruise Lines doesn't expire yet. I should have let it expire with the rest instead of rolling it. That's okay. Palantir has been doing good things. Finally coming out, so this is good for this position. Tattooed Chef, not today. Not today. And US Steel. Couple calls. Not sure what I can do with this one. See if I can roll it. I would like to roll it up, but I'll just roll it for another week for 50 cents. That's pretty good. What's the A-work on that one? I'll have to do the calculation. That's actually pretty decent. I wonder if I could pump it up. Whoa, no, it's not going to work out. Okay. Maybe if I rolled it out another week, I could do that. But it's okay, I'm not going to get greedy here. $50. I'll take it. Except it didn't go. Oh, now I get the real price. Okay. That makes a lot more sense. $29. Okay. That's much more reasonable, except it didn't even execute there. Wow. And we're below. Interesting. We're pretty deep in the money already. 25. That'd be about the lowest I'd want to go, I think. Oh, it's okay. It's already been filled. No? Filled at 30 cents. Okay, good. Alright, guys. That's it for this account. That's everything for today. Alright, thanks for watching.